So I'm down here, about to put the differential back together. I had bought the new gasket because I knew it had to come off. And guess what? The new gasket just doesn't fit. So putting it on, it tore out here, 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 and here. Because this was close, I'm going to use the inside to just kind of get started. And then I'll put it on and show you how it goes. I'm going to make it out of this paper bag. So usually you use the old brown paper bags. I don't know if they still do that at grocery stores. Last time I was at Walmart in America, they took like one item and put each one in a plastic bag. One item per bag, that's what we need for the sea turtles and everything. So I'm just going to cut this and get a nice big sheet to work with. We don't need a handle, so I'll cut that off. You can see it fits on there. The quickest way to transfer this pattern is just with some spray paint. Now you don't need to coat it all, you just need to get enough on there to leave the impression. Bunch of dots. That's all. That's all you need. Then you pull this up. Ta-da! It's like magic. Now I'm going to give that a second to dry. Then I'm going to start by cutting out just a little bit smaller than the actual pattern, and then I'll cut it a little bit bigger as well. Then I'll have enough to start playing with. So I tried to put this on to see how it fit. You can see it's just way too tight here, and on the other side as well. So with that knowledge, I'm going to cut this to the inside of the line. Okay, now technically, this one should fit as poorly as the first one. Okay, I can't even get it on there without fear of breaking it, so time to make it smaller. I had to mark my starting point so I don't go past it and just keep spiraling. It's a little bit tight in a few places. As you can see, it's still bowing up a little bit. I'll try and trim it down just a smidge more. That's about halfway around. There, now it lays down well. Take a ball peen hammer, and where there's a hole, just start tapping. Gently, you're not trying to like break through, you're just trying to dent the paper. as you can see, I hope, gives you a nice round hole. Shows you exactly where that's going to be. I'm going to put some spring clamps on it to keep it from walking, keep it from moving around. Here you can start to see how far off it was. Well, I don't know if you can see. The spray paint holes over here, it's about a 1/4 inch over to where it's wanting to make the mark here. With those marked, I can go around and mark the edge now. And one final step with this one, where this big gear is, there's little indentations. I want to make sure I get those. I can't get in there with a hammer, so I'm just going to use a pencil. As you can see it, some of them actually cut the holes out. It's fabulous. The other ones I might have to take care of. Before I cut this all out, I thought I would lay it up here and see the difference between the two. If I line it up with this hole and this notch, you can see there's quite a bit of a difference. Like it was made to fit.